Hello students, I am Mrs. Reema Sengupta from Shet Vidya Mandir English High School, Vasai. This is the remote learning initiative taken by Shet Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE. Today I am going to teach Civics for Standard 8th, Public Facilities Part 1. In this chapter, we will learn about different public facilities which government provides, such as water. Water is the primary example to discuss public facilities. The government takes overall responsibility to provide basic facilities for common Indian citizens, which is seen as a part of the basic fundamental right. In this chapter, we will come to know about the equity or equal availability, quality and affordability of clean water to be provided for every person. Every person nowadays gets different amounts of water, which is his or her fundamental right. Water and the people of Chennai. Chennai has various areas which are surrounded by green lawns. These lawns are maintained by spraying water over it. However, many parts of Chennai face water shortages as well. Those who are rich can get water tankers by directly talking to the officials of Municipal Water Board. However, those who live in apartments get water once in 2 days. Those who reside in slums have a single tap of several houses. Sometimes the water supplied is not even fit for drinking. These people end up spending rupees 500 or more per month to get drinking water. Apartments located in cities, Mylapore region face water shortage. The area gets municipal water every 2 days. Residents are able to meet their water needs with the help of a private borewell. However, this water is brackish. Therefore, residents use this water in their toilets and also for washing purpose. Water as part of the fundamental right to life. Water is important to live a healthy life. We need it for our daily usage. Safe drinking water keeps us healthy and prevents several diseases as well. If water is not hygienic, it can cause diseases such as cholera, diarrhea and dysentery. A survey states that around 1600 Indians die every day due to diseases which are caused due to unhygienic water. Most of these casualties are under the age of 5. If people are provided safe water, we can prevent most of such casualties. In Constitution of India, the right to water is a part of right to life under Article 21. It means that every person, whether he or she is rich or poor, must get sufficient water to fulfill daily needs at the price that he or she can afford. Every person must have universal access to water. In the past, we have seen several court cases where both Supreme Court and the High Court held that right to safe water for drinking is a fundamental right.